What's up, Etienne?
Hey.
Start with pumping up and fakie first to find your rhythm. Find your rhythm. And this gets a good habit of you locking your body in, shoulders matching your board, head between your feet. Feet, heels and toes matching. Better. Nice and smooth. Now feel how slow and smooth your pumping is right now. That's better. Up and fakie, good, nice and smooth. Bending down, big pump up, head in over the front foot. That's it. Good. Much better, dude. Feet look good. Bending down, big pump up, head in, big press out. That's it. It's looking so much better. Feel yourself carve into your pump out. Big pump up, head in, big pump out. Good. Try to wait a little longer now. Let's try to get a kick turn just straight up and down. Up. That's better. Good job. Good. Good. All right, let's take a break.
My thighs are killing me.
I bet. Let's take a break for a second. Dude, so that run right there was so much better. So much better. You had rhythm and you had consistency. Right? Now the next part of this is we're gonna slow it down a little bit more and wait for your kick turn. So you get your kick turn to go more straight up and down. Because that's how you'll start to gain control.
Okay.
Your kick turn carving looks great. But so in order to change it, you just wait a little bit longer, then tuck into your pump out.
No shoulders.
No shoulders. Leaning with the head. Remember, up and fakie and find your rhythm. Find your rhythm. That's it. Now feel your nice big pump up, then head in and pump out.
Oh, that was not right.
Remember, when you pump in, get that head over the front foot. Big pump up, head into the front foot. Bending down, big pump up, head in, big press. Perfect. Keep that going. A little harder press out. Big pump up, head in, big pump out. Keep those shoulders with your board. Good. Try to kick turn a little later now. Okay? Half a second later. Right up further. Ah!
Horrible.
Dude, that was good. You just missed it. You missed the bus just by a half a second.
Oh, man.
Hey.
Thanks.
Good job. Your consistency is building.
But the funny thing is, before today, I thought I had it
you thought you had it dialed, right? Yeah. Are you noticing now that you are spinning your shoulders into your turns?
Now that you've said it, like like before I was trying to wind up, like for sure.
Yeah. But now you're starting to feel where you just lean with your head and you let gravity do the work, because gravity's going to pull you back down the ramp. So you just get the timing of when to pump up, when to push on the tail, and then when to pump out.
But then also maybe I'm getting confused, a little bit confused with front side, because you do give a little bit of a wind up on front side.
Yeah, front side you can give a little bit of a wind up. As you get better, you won't have to, but right now it's fine. Remember, nice deep breath and focus on your rhythm for now. Find that smooth rhythm of just up and press and up and press, and keeping the head stable in between the feet. Now, when you initiate your kick turn, I want you to really try to lean into that front foot. Big pump up, then lean into the front foot. So what happened there is you're leaning your head into your front foot before you're pumping up. Yes. And that's literally you're making yourself fall off of your board because you're leaning outside of the boat. Does this make sense? Yeah. Once you lean outside of the boat, you fall into the water. Okay. So you need to pump up first, then lean over. That's it. All right, next level.
Okay.
Next level?
Yeah, okay.
Can you drop in here?
I can drop in off there.
Perfect, let's do it. So you're gonna drop in over here. You're gonna drop in right here. For now, starting out, we're gonna use the corner, and that's gonna help you with your angle. So I want you to drop in right here, okay?
Okay, and where am I going?
Now, exactly. So this is the big question for everybody. So look at your skateboard.
Yeah.
Your skateboard is the arrow, okay? So look at that, and that arrow points to the entrance of your carve, okay? So look at how that arrow's pointed and where it's pointed and located on the ramp across from you, okay? and then that's going to be the entrance into a big rainbow carve. Okay. If you don't want to kick turn, you don't have to, but you probably will have to. So pump up and into it. Hey, good try. You get the idea?
Yeah,
okay, good. Yeah. Let's get after that one. Okay, I want you to try it again. Take a deep breath, big pump. Bending down, big pump up. Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now we're gonna throw a kick turn in there now. Okay?
You sure?
Yes. Pump up, gentle kick turn. Remember, don't swing the shoulders, just pump up. Pump up first, then lean in, okay?
Okay.
Because you're already gonna be into your carve, so give it a try.
Okay.
Bending down, big pump up. Now kick turn, that's it.
That was a tiny little kick turn.
That's okay. It was off timing a little bit, but we're gonna hone it in and make it better. Nice and slow, bending down, pumping up and into your carve, and then kick turn at the top. Better. Okay.
Yeah, there's a bit of time.
Yes, exactly. And that's one of the big things. Everybody feels the need to rush, but they usually have more time than they think. As you gain more confidence, I want you to move over to here now.
Come on!
Bending down, lifting up, big pump out. That's it. That's it. Good job, Etienne. High five. One more of these. Take a deep breath. Tuck into your pump. Remember, pump up into your kick turn. Bending down, big pump up, then big kick turn, big pump out. That's it. Good job, man.
That was a tiny little kick turn.
But that was good pump time. It's all about learning the timing first, and then you'll get better. Learn that timing, okay? Then work on your movement. Big tuck, really bend down, big pump up, big tuck and pump. So much better. Look at that. When I put these clips together, you're gonna see the progression. It's gonna be awesome. Next level, now look. Now we're gonna move over here.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, now it's gonna be a straight shot, okay? Straight shot. So carve gentle in the flat bottom, carve gentle and pump up into your kick turn.
So going over,
yes.
not like right up.
No, don't go straight up. Okay. So start carving in the flat bottom, okay?
Okay.
Start carving. Big pump up, big kick turn out. That's right. Okay, now, again, take a big deep breath. Exaggerate your pump up into your kick turn, okay? Big deep breath. Start your carve, bending down, big pump up. Almost. Now, I'm noticing when you drop in, I want you to put that front foot up just behind the front bolts. Your front foot's too far back.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the wider you spread your feet, the better balance you're gonna have.
Ooh, okay, okay. So am I putting my foot here or slightly further up?
Put your front foot literally just behind the front bolts and try to get your foot matching your back foot. So if your foot's crooked, yeah, get it more straight. That's it.
Oh, really?
Yes. And you can literally get the edge of your foot, the edge of your shoe up against those bolts. Okay. Good. Now lean into your tuck, into your pump. Leaning. That's it. Ah. Good save.
Wow, my foot felt really far forwards there. Like...
Try it again. You'll be safer than ever with that front foot up there. Nice deep breath. Try it again. Into your tuck. That's it. Bending down, big pump. That's it. Good, Etienne. Yes, get used to spreading those feet out, especially even for kick turns. All of your skating will improve with a wider stance.
Generally, am I skating with my feet too close together, do you think? Or...
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Good. That's it. Look at that. Dude.
That felt really, really good.
Best one yet. I'm proud of you, man. That was awesome. You're really showing improvement here. Okay. Now try to stall it out. Work on your tuck into your pump and then stall it out so you can pump up into the other side. Tuck in your pump, bend down, big pump up. That's it. That's it. And then another front side. Perfect.
Right.
See? Now you're starting to find, because you're following the natural path the ball would take with that, right?
Yeah, I was kind of surprised I went through that.
So now, once you throw in your front side at the end there, remember, you're gonna have to lean on those heels. Leaning into the front foot, into your tuck. Start tucking. That's it. Bend down, big pump up. On the heels, big kick turn. Ah, on those heels. One little thing for you. You're anticipating your pump up on the first quarter pipe. Yes. So right after you drop in, you're starting to pump up a little too early. Okay? So wait. And remember, I want you to kind of wait to pump up until you're about a foot and a half up the ramp.
Oh, really?
Yes. And you'll feel it. You'll feel the difference. So make it smooth.
Okay.
Nice and smooth. Really bend down, big pump up. That's better. On the heels. That's it. Good.
That was very, very different.
Very different.
Yeah, no,
What,
cool.
did it feel better?
Yeah. A lot better.
Awesome.
I just need to find that moment.
Yes,
Again.
yes. Well, the big thing is, once you understand your timing, then you can practice it and hone it in and make it more comfortable and smooth and build confidence. And the biggest thing for everybody is building confidence once they find the proper timing and the movements.
Right, okay.
Nice and slow and smooth. Start tucking first, then drop in. That's it. Bending down, big pump up. Big tuck, big pump up into your front foot.
Well, that was really nice.
Much better. Big deep breath. Front foot up. Nice wide stance just behind the front bolts. Start your tuck first. Tucking. Big pump. Bending down, big pump up. That's it. Up. That's it. We got a skateboarder here. Look at that. That was fantastic. Look at you, starting to make runs now.
Yeah, that's all because of the teacher.
Thanks, man. It definitely isn't all the teacher. It's the students who practice. Big deep breath, start your tuck into that front foot. That's right. Bending down, big pump up. That's it. Up into the front foot, big press out. Now, I want you to skate fast and kick your skateboard up at the end and grab it out for the ramp. Skate fast, kick your skateboard up and grab it. Almost. You're gonna push, and then you're gonna plant your foot like halfway up the ramp and then kick your skateboard up. So plant your foot just like a push.
Oh, and then...
Yeah, so once your foot's on the ground, then you push and just kick your skateboard up and then run up and grab it out of the air.
Looking cool.
Yep, looking cool.
Or looking uncool in my case.
No, dude, you're awesome. Okay, remember, nice deep breath. Start your tuck into a smooth pump. Big pump up. That's it. Big pushes. Plant that foot. Boom, and he grabs it right off the ramp. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, a bit messy, but
Hey,
I'll take that.
second try. That was really good.
Confidence is going up a little bit.
That's what I like to hear. And so is your skill. Good. Bending down, big pump up. That's it. Bending down, big pump up again. Good. That's right. Bending down, big front side into your tuck. Good. Good. And then back in towards the end. Some pushes. Oh, you forgot something.
That was a milestone right there.
Awesome.
I did not think I was going to be able to drop in and figure out what to do on the other side.
Hey, that's what I'm here to help you do, right? As long as you keep practicing, you'll be a ripper by the time we're done here.
Oh boy, that was a good run.
That was a great run.
Let's see if I can do it again.
Yep. Awesome job today. Seriously, such a great improvement.